another way to cook chicken of the woods mushrooms. I got my ramen noodles, got some steaks, luckily enough. I got my hot pan right here, cast iron of course. This chicken of the woods mushrooms. I got onions, crushed garlic, seasoning, 4 tablespoons of butter, possibly 2 to 3. All this over here is going to be thrown in the hot cast iron skillet separate times. Of course the onions and the butter is going to go first. But then you got the chicken of the woods mushroom. But you gotta watch how I fry this up. It's just kick ass. Excuse my bad language, but this is why I go out in the woods and find these chicken of the woods mushrooms. Alright, here it goes. I'm gonna take this butter, drop it in, let the butter melt, cook the onions, and I'm gonna throw in the chicken of the woods. No big deal if any onions get in there. Might be too much butter, so I'm going to take a cube out. The mushroom will end up possibly getting a little dry, so y'all might have to add this in later. I'm going to go ahead and throw in the onions. I'm going to get 1 or 2 mushrooms in there, no big deal. Yeah, I know it's not sizzling, but this pan's been heating up for almost 45 minutes now. You might possibly hear the sizzle, but I'll let that caramelize a little bit. I might throw some, maybe some brown sugar on there or something. I don't know. Maybe just like a pinch, because once these get in there, I gotta build the fire up a little bit. I need to get these frying. Well, as you can see, kind of stoked the fire with some wood, smoke. I just trimmed off a few pieces, you know, like kindle pieces, and threw it on the fire. That's why you're getting the smoke right now. But right now, the smoke's rolling around in that pan with them onions. Oh. Adds so much flavor. Those onions need stirred. Now you see down here on this side of the pan, my grill rack isn't level, so I'm going to have to put most of the onions down around here so they'll fry. Haley here is going to put some decent pinch of sugar, brown sugar of course. Yeah. That's good, that's good. So the rest of it out in the yard. And of course I'm going to stir that up, try to get it all liquefied a little bit. And take the butter. Butter in there. I'll swirl that around a little bit. It's melting good. And then, of course, the chicken of the woods mushrooms. I'll throw them in the pan. Now this is going to be a long cook, so we still got to cook the steaks. So it's going to be a nice, slow, even cook on these things. Just going to stir this up a little bit. Get the sugar, the butter, the onion flavor, and all the other seasonings right there in the pan. Chicken of the woods mushroom frying in the pan. I'm going to have to move down here, because this is where all the juices are. We got them frying. So we got the fire stoked. chicken over the wood. Mushrooms, pretty much cooked, along with the onions and garlic.